everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I wanted to share a design with you that I created using all of the beads in the TrollBeads Reflections Kit, which was released for TrollBeads Day. Now, me, Tani, who's Appleseed on Instagram, and Linda, who's LSN2 on Instagram, as well as on YouTube, we all found out that we all had bought the complete kits. And so Tani came up with the idea of doing a challenge where we designed a bracelet with all the beads from the new kit, as well as a few other things that all of us came up with. Like we had to use a gemstone, we had to use a previous TrollBeads Day bead, we had to use a round bead in our design, and I think there was I said gemstone, round bead. Oh, and we had to use a troll or a fairy and a unique or a patterned bead. That was the thing. And so it was a little challenging for me because all the colors in the new TrollBeads Day beads are so different. So to find a cohesive look while adding the other elements to it took a little bit, but this is what I came up with, and I really love how this one turned out. And so let me start with the clasp. So the clasp I'm using here is this spiritual butterfly clasp, and I used it because I really like the green color that's in the stone in here. Plus it also worked as a gemstone that we needed to use in our design. So that was my thought process with that. Now this is a unique, and again this went with we had to use a unique or a patterned bead, and so there's that one. And I picked this unique because it went really well with this TrollBeads Day beads. This one is Layers of Hope and Desire. These are long names on these beads and it's hard to remember them, but this one has the beautiful pinks and greens, and the pink I think really pulled the pink in this unique. Next, I have this little fantasy hibiscus bead, which I just used to break up the glass beads. And so there's that. So this glass bead I have is the yellow twinkle bead, and this goes really well with this, which is Layers of Curiosity and Energy. So it pulls the yellow in this one. So I was trying to pick up beads where I was using 2 glass beads at a time, with 1 glass bead from the TrollBeads Day kit and 1 other glass bead, except for the middle part, which is this, where I used 2 of the TrollBeads Day beads with the silvers. So the first silver I have here is this, and which is the Guardian of Nature, and this is my round component, and I really love how whimsical this bead is. This is Layers of Highs and Lows. This is one of my favorites from the kit. This one here is called Fairy of Nature, and both of these beads, this one is a round bead as well as a fairy, and this one is a fairy bead, which was another requirement of the challenge. And then this here is Layers of Strength and Confidence. This is the 3 flowers bead with the dichroic glass in the centers, which again I thought pulled all the TrollBeads Day beads together with all the colors in the dichroic glass. So this was my center, and then these I've done like 2 glass beads with a silver in between. So moving on, this one over here is Layers of Past and Present, I believe. This one is the rutilated quartz. This is a gemstone as well as a past TrollBeads Day bead. This was the TrollBeads Day bead for 2017, I believe. Then I have another tiny silver. This is the flower wreath bead. And then the last TrollBeads Day bead from this year, again, one of my favorites. This is Layers of Intuition and Wisdom. This one is so hard to capture on camera. The colors in this are so beautiful. And then this one again is a patterned glass bead as well as a past TrollBeads Day bead. This was the TrollBeads Day bead for I think 2015. I think that's the, or maybe this is one of the People's Unique. I'm forgetting. I'll put it down here what this one is, but this is what I went with. So this is the design, and me and Linda and Tani, we used a few of the same beads, but we came up with such different designs. I'm going to link their either Instagrams as well as Linda has a YouTube. I'll link those down below in my description box. So if you want to go take a look at what they did, you can. So this is my design. Now I also want to actually design with each individual TrollBeads Day bead in this particular kit for 2023 and do like mini designs. So I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to come back and share those with you guys. Okay, so I'm back and I have mini designs with each of the beads from the reflections kit. Now this one I did with layers of highs and lows, which is right here. And I'm not going to, tell you names of each and every bead because it's hard for me to remember all of them, and I didn't really do my research because I just filmed that first part and then created these designs very quickly and came back here. But if you want to know any of the names of any of the beads, do comment down below and I will find that for you. And so yeah, this is with the layers of highs and lows, and I picked up some greens and pinks and with a hint of yellow to go with this particular bead. This one is layers of intuition and wisdom, so which is right here. And then these are the beads that I paired with it. I have used the strawberry quartz gemstones and a couple of uniques that I have and some silvers. And so there's that one. This is layers of hope and desire right here. And again, I played on the pinks and greens that are in this bead, and this is the combination that I came up with. Again, I have a couple of uniques, a gemstone, and a couple of silvers on here. So layers of hope and desire. This one is layers of strength and confidence. And again, you see those jewel tones with the brighter greens and the pinky reds. And again, I have these gemstones. I have the malachite and the ruby. And yeah, this is the design. I think you can really pair blue with this as well, but I went with more greens. And so yeah, this one is layers of strength and confidence. This one is layers of curiosity and energy, and it has those jewel tones with the bright yellows and the reds, and this one just made me think of treasure for some reason, and so maybe because of the bright colors, and so I went with a dragon theme for this design. And so yeah, there's that one. And the last one is layers of past and present, and this one is right here. So I picked up the yellows and the pinks in this one and did this, and I used a lot of roses and flowers and just those yellows and pinks to pick up the colors in this one. So this is layers of past and present. And so yeah, I did these, as I said, I did these really quick, but these were some of the first beads that I thought would look nice with these particular beads from the Reflections collection. I'm sure I'm going to find a lot more beads to pair with all of these beads, just because there's just so many colors, so much variation in these beads as far as colors go. And so Yeah, this is my first pass at each individual bead from this collection. Do let me know which one is your favorite as far as the bead goes from this whole collection. Let me know if you bought any of them or bought all of them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a starting point with some of these beads because I did get a couple of requests to show some designs with these. And so, yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.